Hi friends, welcome to the third episode in the series Painting for Beginners. In today's lesson, I'm going to talk about colors, how to approach colors, how do colors work, the mixing process, and all the necessary information that you're going to need on color theory. I'm going to share my knowledge with you, okay? And all I ask in return is that you like the video and leave a nice comment and also consider subscribing if you're new to the channel, okay? So let's begin. Well, the materials I'm using for today's lesson are some acrylic paints. You can use any types of paints for this lesson, even crayons will do. Our main goal is to understand a thing or two about colors, the nature of colors, how they work basically. Okay. And in fine art, when we approach colors, there are three colors that always exist and they cannot be created by mixing other colors. These three colors are called as primary colors, and the first color that I am placing is yellow. It's the first primary color. The second is red, and the third one is blue. I am using a Prussian blue for this. You can use any other type of blue. There are many types of blues available. There is cobalt blue, cerulean blue, ultramarine blue. So all these types of blues when mixed give different results. But the basic principle is the same, yellow, red and blue, okay? And then after the three primaries, we have secondary colors that can be obtained by mixing these primary colors together in equal ratio. So yellow plus red, as you can see, gives orange. So this is the first secondary color, and then yellow plus blue gives you a nice green, and then red plus blue, depends on the type of blue, red plus blue gives you violet, okay? So as you can see, the primaries I have placed are yellow, red and blue, and the secondaries are orange, green and violet. Well friends, if you are taking painting seriously, then you will have to memorize these color patches, this color theory I am sharing with you, because throughout your painting process, this color theory will be at play, and when you have memorized these basic guidelines, it is going to be a huge contributing factor in your art journey, okay? And next comes the tertiary colors. I obtained that by mixing the secondaries. As you can see, orange plus green I'm mixing, it gives a nice brown color, okay? And then orange plus purple gives a russet color. Basically it's a brown with a red tint to it. So, and the next is green plus violet gives a dark gray or a slate color, okay? So friends, we have the primaries, secondaries and tertiaries on the paper. And to recall once again, primaries are yellow, red and blue, secondaries are orange, green and violet, and the tertiaries are brown, russet and slate, okay? So you can see friends how powerful these three primary colors are, the yellow, red, blue. We can create numerous amounts of shades with these three colors, okay? And there is a final set of colors, that is intermediate colors. We can obtain that by mixing the first two lines, you can see, the primaries and secondaries. So to obtain that, I mix yellow with the orange, primary with the secondary, and I get an amber color, a sunset color. And next, red plus orange, and I get a vermilion color. This is best for portraits. And then yellow plus green, I get a chart reuse color. So this is good for painting grass or any landscape. And next, blue plus green to obtain a teal color. This doesn't look like teal, it's because of the type of blue I'm using. I will later on change the blue to get more teal color. So now I use different type of red, crimson lake color. The basic principle is same, the primary red, but to obtain a magenta color I am using a different red, that is red plus violet. I get a magenta color. And the last one is a blue plus violet. I get a nice looking purple. This is good for painting grapes and the things. And I use finally the cerulean blue to mix with green to obtain a more like a teal looking color. Okay, so that's that. Well friends, this was the basic color theory which you will need to memorize, and if you are new to painting, practice these exercises at least 2-3 times, just so until you will have a better understanding on how colors work, how those 3 primary colors can be used to make all sorts of other colors. Okay, and I will be making more videos, more paintings on this topic using just the 3 colors. So you do not want to miss that out. Stay in tune to this channel. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding today's video, or if you have any video request, let me know in the comment section. Okay, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.